FreeStack architecture, zero-cost serverless development framework. This new podcast format, episode 2, the FreeStack architecture. Hello and welcome back to this new podcast format. I'm glad you've joined me for our second episode, where we'll delve deeper into the revolutionary world of zero-cost development. Last week, we dealt with something very massive, the Legion protocol and its Alexander family of agents, that distributed intelligence system designed to survive the collapse of the cloud. Well, today we're dealing with something different. This week we're unpacking an architecture that makes the zero-cost serverless development framework possible, the FreeStack IDE and its underlying shitform ledger framework. The FreeStack environment is designed to deliver a zero-install and zero-cost philosophy, providing a self-contained development experience. It is implemented as a single-file IDE that can be saved as an HTML file and will run immediately upon opening. This means you can put it on a USB stick and code anywhere. This core genius lies in the zero-cost serverless framework, which utilizes raw Google URLs, what we call the hacker's way, to create a script-free database, eliminating the need for paid hosting. This framework requires two distinct channels for persistent storage. The read channel, this is the Google sheet accessed via the published CSV URL. The write channel, this uses a Google form accessed via the secured form response URL hack. Crucially, because Google Forms only allows data to be added as new rows, the system relies on an append-only ledger pattern. Your application's client-side JavaScript, which acts as the brain, handles the necessary logic to interpret those append rows as updates or deletes. This architecture is incredibly professional, but the developer never has to deal with the complex ledger logic, such as passing CSV data or filtering for the latest records. The FreeStack IDE provides a professional level of abstraction via a preloaded global object called DB. This object allows you to build functional applications using simple standard commands. You can use db.save open bracket ID object close brackets to both creation and update by appending a new row. You can use db.delete open bracket ID close bracket to perform a soft delete by appending a row marked delete. And finally, await db get all open bracket close bracket executes the complex ledger logic client side, fetching all rows, looping through them, and returning only the last entry for every unique record ID that is not marked for deletion. You can think of the FreeStack IDE and the shitform ledger framework as a specialized translator cabinet. You do not need to connect directly to a complex server. You only plug in two simple cables, your read-only and your write URL, and the cabinet handles all the complicated internal bookkeeping. This gives you a serverless database framework and an IDE to build on it that is free cost, zero, and provides professional logic. Thank you for tuning into this new podcast format. Next week, we'll move beyond.